In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Shopify site. We'll walk through the exact workflow inside your Shopify admin so you can confidently shape your store's look and feel. I'll share clear explanations and practical tips as we go, while keeping the process simple and focused. Start by opening your Shopify admin. This is your store's command center where all design changes begin. If you manage more than one store, make sure you're in the correct dashboard to avoid changing the wrong theme. Next, in the left-hand menu, select Online Store, then click Themes. This brings you to the Themes page where you'll see your current theme at the top. Think of this as the foundation of your storefront. You'll make all your visual updates here so you can see changes in real time. Click Edit Theme. Depending on your theme, this may appear as Customize. This opens the theme editor, a visual builder with a live preview on the right and a settings panel on the left. Everything you change here updates the preview so you can design with confidence. Use the left sidebar to select sections and pages. At the top you can switch between templates like the home page, product pages and collection pages. Within each template, the sections list lets you pick elements like image banners, featured collections or text blocks. Click any section to open its settings where you can edit content and layout. You can also drag sections to reorder them, helping you guide visitors' attention in a logical way. Now customize your homepage sections, headers, footers and colors. For the homepage, refine headlines, swap images for high quality visuals, and adjust buttons so your main call to action stands out. Keep copy concise and benefits focused. In the header, check your logo sizing and navigation menu for clarity. Too many links can overwhelm users. Consider adding a simple announcement bar for key messages. In the footer, organize links into clear groups and include essentials like policies and contact details. For colors, open your theme settings and apply a consistent palette that matches your brand. Prioritize contrast for readability, especially for text on buttons and banners, and keep accent colors consistent to guide attention. Preview your changes in desktop, tablet and mobile views using the device icons. On mobile, verify that text is legible, buttons are easy to tap, and menus are simple to navigate. Make small adjustments until everything feels cohesive across devices. When you're happy with the result, click Save. Give the page a moment to confirm the update, and consider saving periodically as you work to protect your progress. That's it, your Shopify design is now polished, consistent, and ready for visitors.